In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for study guides. We'll be transforming the way you study, making it more efficient and effective using this powerful AI tool. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access ChatGPT. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. It's a quick and free process. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main chat interface. This is where all the magic happens. Now, the key to getting a great study guide from ChatGPT is to give it clear and specific instructions. The next step is to formulate your prompt. Don't just type "study guide for history." Instead, be precise. For example, try something like, create a study guide for the American Civil War, covering key causes, major battles, and significant figures. Include 5 multiple-choice questions at the end. See how much more detail that provides? ChatGPT needs that specificity to generate a truly useful study guide. Once you've crafted your prompt, paste it into the ChatGPT chat box. Hit enter and watch as ChatGPT works its magic. You'll see it generating text, building your personalized study guide. This might take a few seconds depending on the complexity of your request. Pay attention to the output. You might need to refine your prompt if the initial result isn't quite right. Now, let's talk about refining your prompt. If the first attempt isn't perfect, don't worry. You can always adjust your request. Perhaps you want more detail on a specific battle or fewer multiple-choice questions. Simply reply to ChatGPT's initial response with your adjustments. For instance, can you add more detail about the Battle of Gettysburg? Or please reduce the number of questions to 3. ChatGPT is incredibly responsive to these kinds of edits. It's an iterative process, so embrace experimentation. Once you're happy with your study guide, you can copy and paste the text into a document or note-taking app. You can then customize it further if needed. Add your own notes, highlight key points, or rearrange the information to suit your learning style. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool to assist you, not replace your own understanding and active learning. And that's it. You've just learned how to leverage ChatGPT to create highly effective and personalized study guides. This is a fantastic way to boost your study efficiency and make learning more engaging. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your study guide ideas, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.